Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars.com here in Addison, Illinois. And today I have a 1969 Chevrolet C10 with this gorgeous House of Colors custom yellow paint. This truck has been rotisserie restored. It's got two different shades of yellow, as you can see there. You see that right in that area there? Just a really, really deep shine, high-end paint job on 24-inch wheels. And that rear tire is a 405 series, just so you know. Under the hood, the engine compartment is show quality, super clean, very nice. All the trim, chrome, wheels, tires, interior, everything looks really, really slick. Digital dash as well. Let me walk from the front here. Look how straight this body is. Paint is gorgeous on the truck. Like I said, excellent chrome throughout. Beautiful underneath. Very clean. Look how thick that tire is. Look at that lip on that rear. How does it sit so low? Well, it's on air ride as well. Look at that baby. Whew. Let me pop the hood for you guys, gals. You guys ready for this? Big block, 454, Demon carb, A-arms in the front, tubular A-arms in the front. Headers, as you can see. Look how clean this thing is. So the color of the radiator is the same color they painted the frame underneath the car. As you can see here, all that. The car's got a nasty stance, look at that. Bucket seats. Console. That's for the air ride. Wow. Got tilt wheel. We're waiting for the button to come through for this. Look at that color on that hood. There you have it, folks. Custom C10. Air ride comes up all on its own. You don't have to mess with it. It's all presets. If you need financing and your credit score is between 600 and 739, go to mgmclassiccars.com. You will need 10% down. For those of you who have a credit score of, see, it's coming up all the way now. For those of you who have a credit score of 750 and higher, please go directly to lightstream.com and fill out the application there. That thing is slick, man. Underneath is killer. Those are the air pumps. They work all on their own, guys. If you need delivery, not a problem. You would text me your zip code and I'll get you going. I'll get you a quote. My phone number is 847-848-1850. If you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. And if you're watching, it has rear drum and front disc with coilovers. Actually, no, air ride with the 4-link. Oh my God. Okay, so 4-link, no coilovers with air ride. Killer, killer, killer. If you need delivery, just text me your zip code and I'll get you a quote. And again, if you're watching on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. If you're watching on Facebook, like it and share it. So let me just recap, guys. 1969 custom C10, House of Colors paint. 454 big block. Sorry, that's the car in the background. Turbo 400 trans on air ride. Beautiful car. My phone number is 847-848-1850. And once again, give me a call or text.